Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker Philips. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now, after that, you can click on your device and we have connection. If it didn't help you, I recommended to perform a soft reset. So, make sure that your speaker is turned on and after that, press the power button to turn off it. Now, this LED light is gone, so it means that it's turned off, and after that, press the power button again to turn on it. Yeah, and we can see this LED light, so it's turned on. And this speaker should reconnect to your phone automatically, but sometimes it happens that it don't want to, so just click on it at the device list. Oh yeah, and right now it's reconnect automatically before I click on it. But yeah, if you try also to click on it. If it didn't help you also, we should remove and add this speaker. So, press the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget the device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. And now press and hold at the Bluetooth button until this LED light starts flashing fast. Here we go. And now click on it at the device list. And again we have connection. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So to perform a hard reset, you should press and hold at the Bluetooth icon until this LED light change color to a green, and then it flash 3 times. Here we go. And here we go. After hard reset, it enters to pairing mode automatically, so firstly we should remove it, click the information icon or settings, forget. Also don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!